Hello friends, now we are going to see an important and interesting subject today, which is name is called the fires and solve the problem. Fires is the most powerful tool for solve any problems that we are going to see now. We are calling fires in Gimpa. Where you have a problem, there you can use this tool to crack that problem. Okay, so do you want to know what is that fires? What is that tool? This is the tool. Short, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain. All simple words, but this all a very big, powerful tool. If you have any kind of problem, this tool will give a solution for it. Yes, of course, this came from Japan, and they frequently using that the reason they are very successful in modern manufacturing system. They are calling 5 years as Seri, Saitan, Sisu, Setsuko, and Setsuke. In this, in this, the first yes is short. What is short? What we need to do that? Finding waste and removing waste. So this is called short. Okay. So I will help you how to do short. Okay. So this is a general thing. What I said. And if you want to do really short, you should identify where you have the things or equipments or materials or process more than the requirement. There you need to do short. And one more example I can give you, if you using something that very less frequency in a day. For example, in a day, if you're using only one time your pen in your table, then you no need to keep your pen on the table. Okay. Or you can take it in that way. If you're using only one pen always, and if you're keeping three pen on your table, there that is another two pen is waste. Okay. So that's how you can do your short and set in order. Okay. So this is the interesting one. And you can see many places, if one office assistant or office boy, if it is not there, or manager like a ports manager, if not one person if not there, people will feel like the entire system is stopped and collapsed. Without them we can't work. That they are most valuable people, like that we will feel, but actually it is not. If the dealership, sorry, if it is any workplace or any kind of warehouse, if one person not there, that routine person if not there, if new person come and see that place, by that itself they able to understand what is stored and what is there, how many quantities was there, that kind of things. If they able to understand, they can run their routine work regularly. That means that place is most efficient and finest place, finest workplace. Okay. For that, what we need to do, you should give space for everything and keep all the things in correct place. Okay. So that is the most important things. And you can give a name as showing as you seeing here, and you can give a tag, name tag like this, and you can give rack for each and every part. So in that kind of many things you can do for set in order. Okay. Shine, and you should frequently keep clean the things and place, and you should inspect also regularly. Okay. So these three things, if you do of the problem, you already cracked. Okay. But next two is most important things. that is standardize. Okay, standardize means what? Okay, already we've seen in first, in yes, short. Okay, so more than the requirement, whatever you're keeping, that is waste. The same way, whatever the things you recovered, if you're not able to keep there, that also time waste. Okay, say then what we need to do? We need to bring a system reorder level. Okay, for example, if you using 3 kg of rice in a month and you used to go for the shop for buying uh, in a month 2 times, then how much stock you should keep? Yes, you're right. So you should keep 2 kg of rice. Why? Because if you keep 1.5 kg of rice and stock, if you when you're going for shopping, that time you may not be not having stock. Okay, so if you're keeping a 2 kg of rice, 1 kg already you consumed, half kg in the process of consuming, that time you are going and buying, and half kg of rice may be safety stock. Okay, that's how we need to keep our stock, that we need to make it standardized. This thing we need to train everyone. Okay, so not only we understood the process and if we do that, not enough to implement this process. Okay, so this you need to make it as a SOP, standard operating procedure. You need to written somewhere, and if you keep it, that is most suitable process for implementing 5S. Okay, and sustain is the very important step, because 5S is not individual implementing process. 5S is the group of people who are working that place, that all together, they're going to implement that system 5S. All together only they can use that powerful tool against to that problem. Okay, so in that situation, you should allow everyone to get into their work and to implement this 5S. Okay, and you should give rewards to implement, like a motivation or incentive in that way. Okay, and very most important, get everyone involved in this process. Okay, that is called sustain. Okay, now you see, with the problems you can find the solution. You see the pictures, now you can get the answer. Okay, first two pictures are unorganized things, and the last one is 5s one. Okay, so now you may get the answer for it. With the problem, you may not be efficient. With this kind of scenario, you cannot understand where we need to uh, tap the success step. Okay, so where the abnormality you may not be understand. Okay, so that you can crack by the powerful tool of 5S. Okay, and okay, I understand, I trained and I became an expert in 5 years. Then what are the scope for me? Wherever the inventory management, safety management, office management, kitchen, or any kind of maintenance or productivity improvement, cost reduction in all the area. If you want to do the first, do your first step, that means you need to use your powerful tool 5s. Okay, without 5s is the first tool for any this kind of project or workplaces. And more than all, if we need to be more successful person, we must use 5s in our routine. Okay, and now we are going to see, if you do 5 years and don't do 5 years, what will happen? If you do 5 years, we will save our time, so valuable time, and we can save space by removing unnecessary waste, and Instead of seeking help from others, we can help others. And our product, our service, our work will be sure definitely quality one. And we will be safe and our product will be safe if we follow fires, and our equipment will be more efficient one. And we no need to hide for everyone anything from everyone. We can keep transparency in all the way, and we can save money, and more than all, we will be a successful person. From there, there is one hidden success story also there. If he is a successful person by implementing 5 years, means it is not only for individual, it is for all. That means all that society will become a 5 years follower. That means this will be a way of life. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, feel free, and you can contact me all the way.